What makes a community strong? Is it shared belief, economic stability, leadership, or something deeper? Sociology suggests that strong communities are not accidental, they are structured. In the 14th century, Ibn Khaldun argued that civilizations rise through asabiyyah, social cohesion rooted in loyalty, shared purpose, and collective identity. When individuals prioritize the group over narrow self-interest, communities become resilient. But when luxury and internal division grow, solidarity weakens. Centuries later, Émile Durkheim explained that societies require moral regulation. Whether through mechanical solidarity, shared beliefs, or organic solidarity, interdependence, people must feel connected to something larger than themselves. Without this, anomie emerges, a sense of normlessness and isolation. So what conditions create strength? First, shared meaning. Communities need a moral framework, values that define right and wrong. Without shared norms, trust collapses. Second, social trust. Contemporary sociologist Robert D. Putnam showed in his work on social capital that networks of trust and civic participation directly affect societal well-being. When people join associations, volunteer, and cooperate, communities thrive. Third, justice and fair institutions. No community survives long under perceived injustice. When rules apply unevenly, solidarity fragments. Institutions must be legitimate and transparent. Fourth, economic interdependence. As Max Weber observed, economic structures shape social life. Stability, opportunity, and ethical conduct in work build collective confidence. Fifth, leadership with vision. Leadership is not domination, it is direction. Leaders articulate purpose and embody shared values. In Islamic thought, community, ummah, is both spiritual and social. It balances rights and responsibilities. Worship builds discipline, charity builds redistribution, consultation builds participation. Strength is not only material, it is moral. But here is the paradox. Too much uniformity can suppress diversity. Too much individualism can dissolve unity. A strong community balances cohesion with flexibility, tradition with adaptation, belonging with freedom. The real question is not how do we build community. The deeper question is, what are we willing to sacrifice for it? If this challenged your understanding of society and solidarity, subscribe and join this channel where we unpack the foundations of civilization, one idea at a time.